In today's video, we will see how to fix the VSeeBox V5 Pro keep buffering or freezing, speed up streaming and stop lag. So, to instantly stop buffering or freezing on your VSeeBox V5 Pro, perform a hard power cycle and unplug your box and your internet router for about 2 to 3 minutes. For persistent issue, clear your app's cache, switch streaming server with the app or hardware, and Ethernet cable directly to your device. Next, fix 1. Perform a full power cycle. So most freezing is caused by network congested or a full system RAM. So the next is quick fix. Press the home button on the remote and exit the streaming app and reopen it. Now hard reset. Unplug the power cables from your VC box, your router and your modem. Leave them all unplugged for 2 to 3 minutes, then plug the modem in first. Wait for the lights to stabilize, plug in the router and finally power on your VC box. The fix 2. Improve internet stability. High definition live stream require an internet speed of at least 50 Mbps. Use Ethernet, the Wi-Fi is prone to interference. Connect a wired Ethernet cable from your router directly to the box. Next, test your speed. Open the fast.com app on the VC box to check if your internet is being throttled or struggling. Next, reduce network clutter. Disconnect data heavy disk like gaming console or PC's downloading file from your home Wi-Fi while streaming. The fix 3. Clear app cache and update. Overloaded app cache can cause the app to crash or stutter. Click on clear cache and go to settings and click on app and now select your streaming app. Now select clear cache and force stop. Next, check for update. You can go to the system settings to ensure your firmware is fully up to date. Outdated app versions will often struggle with payback. Next one, the fix 4. Switch servers and toggle VPNs. If an individual channel or VOD video on demand movie is freezing, the delivery server might be overloaded. So change the server inside your video streaming app. Click the settings or menu option and select an alternate server number. Now toggle the VPN. If you have a VPN active, try turning it off or switch to a different VPN server to bypass ISP throttling. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.